Welcome everyone, Team 7, still on an adventure, day 7. Boat is very rocky today, surprising for a ship this size, for it to be as rocky as it is. So I haven't felt it like this in a long time, right?
Yeah.
I mean, ever since this ship started getting bigger and bigger. I think Sunshine, Honorable Sunshine, which is a small ship, 100,000 gross tons, was the last time we felt like this. So. We're going exploring. Well, not exploring. We're going. Yeah, let's go down. Let's go down. Headed to the trade winds. Nancy got a new ring, so we got to go get the paperwork. Feeling all fancy schmancy. So haven't been vlogging too much this cruise. It's been one of those things. Things start going good, everybody's happy, and then putting out fires. So whatever. It's gonna be what it's gonna be. Join us. This ship is rocking right now, boy. This is the maps at all the elevators. Ready? You look cold. It's cold in here, right? Where are we going? Oh, let's go figure it out. We'll figure it out while we're on the elevator. Who's next back there is very busy. I don't think for us there'll be another next cruise on Norwegian. I highly doubt it, but we'll see. We'll see. Oh, wow. Do you see it in the camera? I can't tell.
I think so.
I don't know if the camera notices that. The same way we notice it. Wait. I can't tell. Oh yeah, it does know. The camera does see it.
Does it?
Yeah, if you slide across like this.
Yeah,
you have to slide across. If I slide across. We just finished watching one of those birds grab one of those little flying fish that jump out of the water. As soon as he jumped out of the water, man, that bird snatched him right up. I guess that's why they follow the ship. The ship causes those fish to jump out of the water. Look. Wow. It's in the front, couldn't see it. He went down.
Yes.
Okay, he definitely got it. He went in the water. It's amazing how little energy they actually use to fly. Look at him. See something. Got him. Stop. Some dive in the water. Look, there goes another flying fish right there. Look. Oh, did I catch that? I'm too busy looking at them and not recording. I'm worried about the screen. There's two of them that just jumped out of the water.
Let's go easy now.
Oh, how would we like it, darling? We'll start out easy, we'll take it from there.
Yes, I'm off the broke.
Can I say something? Maybe you've had your fun. And what if I say mine, Ruby? Isn't it going away? Well, you can take a place if you're anxious.
Besides, sir, I can handle the likes of these.
Okay, so that's going to be it for day 7. We didn't record much today. We really didn't do too much.
Yeah.
Just came from seeing Kinky Boots and then went to go get something to eat a buffet. What are you slamming doors back there for?
Sorry.
It's all slammy and stuff. But, yeah, this cruise has come to an end. We expected a lot. Got a little.
Yeah, that's it.
maybe it's partially our fault. Who knows? But yeah, it was. Yeah, it's one of those things. But anyway, tomorrow we get off the ship 7 a.m.
Yeah.
7. Yeah, right now I guess we're just sitting still. We're so close. We just passed Nassau, so and it feels like we aren't moving at all. We're just sitting here in the Atlantic,
Chilling, anchored.
She's like a little lion. What are you doing back there?
I'm just chilling.
Everybody's chilling.
My hair is so big.
It is. It's big poofy. But anyway, so we'll catch back up with you tomorrow. See all the other ships pulling in behind us. Here we are again, turning in the bay, Port of Miami. We got more ships coming in. Symphony of the Seas is already there. It's a very familiar sight for us. And in fact, we'll be right back here again in 104 days. Right back here, same port, only different ship. Be back for MSC Meraviglia, which means wonder in Italian. I wish I had a lot more to say. Definitely a learning experience, you know. But then again, we've had a lot of great cruises, and it was bound to be one that just didn't work. So, but it's one of those things. To be honest with you, Carnival Vista was another time. Was the last time we were on a cruise where it was like, you know, the reality and the expectations didn't quite meet up. So, in all honesty, even though, you know, I love the Vista class ships, great room, the Cove balcony suite we had, but it was another one of those cruises where, you know, at the time I wasn't vlogging, but if I was, there would be just like this. Wouldn't be too much to say. Only difference is this ship has a lot of activities that, you know, I don't know. It's a lot of activities, but all this making reservations and all that stuff just didn't work for us. Not decided to see. We like to do everything together, but you know, like with the go-karts, I was able to get on it by myself, which was okay. It was fun, but I'd much rather have been on the go-karts with my family, my wife and kids, and, you know, my son-in-law. Would have been a lot more fun for, you know, us 6 to be on the track together. But, you know, I guess I'm asking for too much. But all in all, every one of these cruises, regardless of how good or not so good they are, always makes me happy to be home. So this is going to be one of those days I'm going to get home, and I'm going to be very happy to be home, which I'm always happy to be home, believe it or not. All right, I guess it's time to start packing up and get ready to get out of here. See you on the gangway. It's that time. hallways are very narrow. Very narrow. Here we are, walking off the ship already. No announcement, no nothing. You showed up on 7 and getting off, right?
Oh my goodness.
Consistently inconsistent. This cruise has been consistently inconsistent. So, we'll be back in 104 days. 104 days we'll be back, right?
Yeah.
104 days. We'll be back for MSC Metavilia, which happens to be right in front of us.
The birds from out in the middle of the ocean are right there, right next to the
All right, headed into the terminal where you can't record, so see you at the car. Okay, so we're back home. Did some running around, shopping, put the Christmas tree up.
You already know.
Laundry, you already know. Yeah, Electra with the Christmas tree. Jesus Christ. She wanted to put it up before we left. Man.
Too much to do.
Way too much to do. Too much to do. So that's going to be it for our Norwegian Encore vlog. It's one of those things. Hope there was some lessons learned.
There definitely was.
Yeah. Hopefully we can teach you guys something. Bottom line, inaugural cruises. I'll never do that again. We avoided them like the plague. We've just never wanted to do it. We decided to take a chance. Norwegian's been good to us. And everything they say about inaugural cruises, all the horror stories, pretty much all true.
Yeah.
So I hope if you decide to cruise with Norwegian on Encore, Bliss, Joy, just know what you're getting yourself into. Make all the reservations you can before you get on the ship, even though we made reservations on the phone. Yeah. Anyway, we'll wrap this up, and until the next adventure, deuces.